graphical, absolutely classical. Last thing I'm worried about is what another rapper do. Ain't nobody hot as me, even if they rap their ass off, blast off and have outstanding quality. Sell a lot of records, I respect it and salute that. But spitting real life on hot beats, I'm the true fan. You kick it like me, no exaggeration necessary. Living revolutionary, nothing less than legendary. Gangsta shit hereditary, got it from my dad. Flow colder than February with extraordinary swag. Okay. Yeah. That's right. Okay.
Visitation no longer comes by. Seems like they forgot about me. Commissary is getting empty. Cellmates eating food without me. Can't wait to get out and move forward with my life. Got a family that loves me and wants me to do right, but instead I'm here locked up. They won't let me out. They won't let me out. I'm locked up. They won't let me out. No, they won't let me out. I'm locked up. They won't let me out. Oh, they won't let me out. I'm locked up. They won't let me out. No, they won't let me give me a visit. They won't let me out. Some magazine. They won't let me send me some money. Oh, they won't let me out. Give me a visit, baby. They won't let me out. 'Cause I'm locked up. They won't let me out. Where's my lawyer? They won't let me out. I'm locked up. They won't let me out. No, they won't let me out.
Nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about me. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga X about me, nigga X about me. I'm a hustler.
This for all my niggas that's going through the struggle, that's on the grind. All my niggas that ever had the hustle to get at a dollar, this for y'all, man. Personality change, man. The Kid Cassidy. This for the hood, man. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I got the product, narcotics for the customers, homie. Fiends open, they be smoking like a muffler, homie. Niggas phony, so I only got a couple of homies. If you a hustler, I can fuck with your homie. You spend a couple bucks, I stay in touch with your homie. I get money, I get 20 a K. I got 20 strips, all doing 20 a day. Hey, I get cake from Birds of Haze, I'm making dubs. They hating cause I'm on the grind like I'm making love. When cops got the block hot like Jamaican clubs. Cop wait for a drought and then make it flood. Try to take my cake, you gon' take a slug. But you can take my information if you taking drugs. Cause I could sell raid to a bug. I'm a hustler, I could sell salt to a slug. Cause
I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga X about me, nigga X about me. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga X about me, nigga X about me. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler.
I'm married to the game, same bride, just a new groom. I do more than just do tunes. Cause my bills coming too soon, my son gon' be too soon. Royalty checks come like once in a blue moon. But I'm getting my dough from doing shows. I made more dough on the grind than going gold. That's why I stay fly in the flogging on hoes. Floss is so cool in the Austin, no shoes. Just a rubber band on my wrist, no jewels. I ain't gotta prove I'm rich, I'm no fool. I know the rules and I ain't got time for it. But a nigga will shine when it's time for it. And they will hate you, deal with the real cake. And they on the corner from morning till real late. I deal waiting if you bastards doubt me. I'm a hustler, ask about.
I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga X about me, nigga X about me. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga X about me, nigga X about me.
Yeah. The best neighbors. We about to get into a tale of a gunner that details the dungeon just as the pale moon illuminates the hail and thundering. Once the year where I fell from blundering. Shady lifted his wing, then I fell from under it. Now I'm free falling. My career's gone into recalling. Regardless of whose fault I was speedballing. God bubble wrapped me and dropped me on top of the earth. Then Marshall double back and got me from on top of a hearse. I'm alive, nigga. Justin T ain't got nothing on me, cause I didn't cry Mary J. Blige rivers. I realized that God's with us soon as I decided to put that bottle down and pick up my tide bridges. The writing's on the wall. Since niggas see me at the baseball game with Shady and Jay-Z, suddenly everybody calls. Like I'm just checking on you, dog, while I throw up this message on the stall. When them bottles stop popping and them dollars start stopping, do what you did to get it and don't stop. I made a promise to my mama, I'ma outlive her. How can I be a quitter when haters don't stop? I'm living proof, nigga. It's pretty safe to say, God give it, God take it away. It's the worldwide American way. I'm living proof, nigga.
Your body language is saying your confidence is gone. Well, pick your ass up, little homie, come on. You it or make them suck it. Tell them where to shove it. Straight up, you gon' make love to the world or you gon' fuck it. The last time that life kicked me in the ass, I pulled down his pants and put him through the bitch ass. Then what a catastrophe it'd be for me to be a bitch ass pussy and not open a can of whip ass. That your bitch ass with me and beat a task. I ain't poop. Shit, the day that I don't straight shoot, I'll drop out of my anti-women hate group. Say I'm a sissy faggot, record it, play it back and put it on straight loop. You haters look like you ate a grapefruit. You see me climbing back on that wagon, got my swagger back. I was dragging, hop back on and grabbed the reins on that pass and it came back on them without remorse. Man, of course I'm a one-trick pony, cause I'll be screaming on these hoes till I'm hoarse.
When them bottles stop popping and them dollars start stopping, do what you did to get it and don't stop. I made a promise to my mama, I'ma outlive her. How can I be a quitter when haters don't stop? I'm living proof, nigga. It's pretty safe to say, God give it, God take it away. It's the worldwide American way. I'm living proof, nigga.
1, 2, 3 into the 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door, ready to make an entrance, so back on up.
Cause you know we're about to rip shit up.
Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble. Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Too loped out niggas, so we're crazy. Death Row is the label that pays me. Unfadable, so please don't try to fake this. But back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected, so I'ma let them understand. From a young G's perspective. And before me dig on a bitch, I have to find a contraceptive. You never know, she could be earning her man and learning her man, and at the same time burning her man. Now you know I ain't with that shit, Lieutenant. Ain't no pussy good enough to get burned while I'm offended. And that's realer than real deal, Holyfield. And now you hookers and hoes know how I feel. Well, if it's good enough to get broke off a proper chunk, I take a small piece of some of that funky stuff. It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this and like that and like this and Drake creep to the mic like a fan.
Well, I'm peeping and I'm creeping and I'm creeping, but I damn near got caught. My beeper kept beeping, now it's time for me to make my impression felt. So sit back, relax, and strap on your seatbelt. You've never been on a ride like this before, with a producer who can rap and control the maestro. At the same time with the dope rhyme that I kick, you know and I know I flow some old funky shit. To add to my collection, this selection symbolizes dope. Take a toke but don't choke. If you do, you have no clue of what me and my homie Snoop Dogg came to do. It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this. And who gives a fuck about those?
So just chill to the next episode. What a halified gangster lean. Getting funky on the mic like an old batch of collard greens. It's the capital S-O, yes, I'm fresh and double O-P. D-O-double-G-Y-D-O-double-G, you see. Showing much flex when it's time to wreck a mic. Pimping hoes and clocking a grip like my name was Dolomite. Yeah, and it don't quit. I think they in the mood for some motherfucking G shit. Yeah. So Dre,
what up, dog?
Gotta give them what they want.
What's that, G?
We gotta break them off something.
Hell yeah.
And it's gotta be bumpin'. City of Compton.
It's where it takes place, so when that show attention. Mobbing like a motherfucker, but I ain't lynching. Dropping the funky shit that's making the sucker niggas mumble. When I'm on the mic, it's like a cookie, they all crumble. Try to get close, say your ass will get smacked. My motherfucking homie, Doggy Dogg, has got my back. Never let me slip, cause if I slip, then I'm slipping. But if I got my Nina, then you know I'm straight tripping. And I'ma continue to put the rap down, put the Mac down. And if your bitches talk shit, I have to put the smack down, yeah. And you don't stop. I told you I'm just like a clock when I tick and I talk. But I'm never off, always on till the break of dawn. See you when PTO win in the city they call Long Beach. Put the shit together like my nigga D.O.C. No one can do it better like this, that, and this, and it's like that, and like this, and like that, and it's like this. Then who gives a fuck about those?
So just chill to the next episode.
Neighborhood in the air. If you don't care, you know it ain't no stopping all the dogs I'm dropping. It's Friday night, so everything is